Well, today also we are going to start
DP
DP Kids. Yes, so okay, right? DP Kids. Yes, of course. We can you say it
DP
louder?
Kids.
DP Kids. That's right. Of course. Now, all the kids you love DP Kids program, right? And also it's really a famous name now. Anyway, today also we are going to draw a very simple thing. Okay, so then you can draw that, right? Shall we start then, right? Okay, so of course take the platinum, and now we are going to draw a beautiful cute couple of birds. Okay, so now first we'll draw one bird. Draw a shape like this. Start somewhere here. Okay. Okay, good, right. Another shape to this side. Okay, can you try from here, start from here. That's right. Yes. Wow, great, good. And draw another line like this. No, here. Good. And to this bird also we can draw like this. Good. Okay. And here you draw the tail of the bird. Good. And to this bird also you can add the tail. Good. You can practice your fingers with the pencil and pen. It's really important. Now you drew a circle. Okay, another circle here. Very good. And then two dots like this. And after that, small mouth. See its mouth. Good. Okay. Right, now we have two birds here. Now we can add a wing here, right? And for this bird also you can add a wing. Good. Then we can draw two legs and the fingers. We can add another two legs to this bird also. Small two feathers. This is very suitable for a wishing card, right? We can draw another symbol like this, like a bow leaf. Good. Okay, wow, great. Right, so beautiful. Shall we color this then, right? We can use beautiful colors. Wow, now we have beautiful two birds. Okay, shall we show the couple of birds? Right, see, okay, so it's so beautiful. And so of course it is very easy for even a very small child kid, you can draw these type of pictures. Okay, so it's not really complicated, no. So we use very simple methods, simple lines to draw this type of pictures. So this is how you can start to practice your drawings. Then you can go for complicated pictures. Okay, so of course as parents, teachers, you have to allow them to practice this type of things. Yes. Okay, so then they'll be so creative in the future once you give this type of a good start. So that is what that we are trying to give you through DP Kids. Okay, so today also we are going to leave and hope to bring you another new video. So till then, bye, or say bye.
Bye.
Bye.